In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo fit one side of Wix header. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and head over to your website header. As you can see, mine is made of one singular strip, meaning that if I add a photo to it, that means that the photo is going to take up the entire header rather than one side. So to change that and split the header into two sides, all you have to do is highlight it and then right click on it and then click on add column right here. Click on that. And now if you have a logo already, it might duplicate. So just get rid of it just like that. And now your header is split into two columns. From here, all you have to do is decide which side you want the photo to be on. In my case, I want to add it on the right hand side here. Then all I need to do is click on change background and then add the photo that I want. In this case, these fruits right here, as you can see, just like that. And in order to save my changes, all I need to do is press the X button right here. And if I just go ahead and preview my website, you see that the photo is now on only one side of the header. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a photo go on one side of your Wix header. If you have any questions, please send me down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.